Hey there, home enthusiasts! Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're diving into a unique and increasingly popular style of home, the Barndominium, and discover inspiring ideas for creating your own Barndominium. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Barndominium. These versatile structures blend the rustic charm of a barn with the comfort and style of a modern residence. In this video, we'll explore the meaning of barndominiums, the reasons for their growing popularity, and how to design your own unique barndominium. A barndominium is a residential structure that combines the functionality of a barn with the comfort and amenities of a traditional home. Typically, they are constructed using steel frames and metal roofing, offering a durable and cost-effective building option. While the exterior often retains a rustic barn-like appearance, the interiors are fully customized to suit modern living needs. There are many reasons why people are drawn to barndominiums. 1. Versatility. Barndominiums offer incredible versatility. They can be adapted to suit various lifestyles, from single-family homes to multi-generational living. 2. Affordability. Construction costs can be significantly lower compared to traditional brick-and-mortar homes. 3. Customization. Barndominiums offer a high degree of customization, allowing homeowners to create unique and personalized living spaces. 4. Durability. Steel frames and metal roofing are incredibly durable, providing excellent protection against the elements. 5. Energy efficiency. Modern insulation and energy-efficient windows can make barndominiums highly energy efficient. 6. Unique aesthetic. The rustic charm of a barndominium offers a distinctive and appealing aesthetic. So, you're intrigued by the unique charm of barndominiums? These versatile structures offer a blend of rustic charm and modern convenience. Whether you're dreaming of a spacious open-concept living area, a cozy retreat, or a home that perfectly reflects your individual style, barndominiums offer incredible design flexibility. Here are some tips for creating your own stunning barndominium house design. First, plan and design. Carefully consider your lifestyle, budget, and desired features. Work with an architect or designer to create a floor plan that maximizes space and functionality. Second, choose the right location. Consider factors like zoning regulations, access to utilities, and proximity to amenities. Third, select high-quality materials. Choose durable and energy-efficient materials for both the exterior and interior. Fourth, incorporate natural light. Utilize large windows and skylights to maximize natural light and create a bright and airy interior. Fifth, create a functional layout. Design an open floor plan that maximizes space and flow. Consider incorporating a loft for additional living space. Sixth, add personal touches. Personalize your barndominium with unique finishes, decor, and landscaping. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here is the collection of the top 10 best barndominium house design ideas. 1. The modern farmhouse. Combine rustic charm with contemporary design elements. 2. The industrial chic. Embrace exposed steel beams, concrete floors, and large windows. 3. The rustic retreat. Incorporate natural wood accents, stone fireplaces, and cozy seating areas. 4. The coastal barndominium. Embrace a relaxed coastal vibe with light colors, natural wood, and nautical accents. 5. The open concept living. Create a spacious and airy interior with an open floor plan that connects the kitchen, living room, and dining area. 6. The loft living. Utilize a loft space for a bedroom, home office, or entertainment area. 7. The sustainable barndominium. Incorporate eco-friendly features like solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and energy-efficient appliances. 8. The guest house. Create a separate guest suite within the barndominium for visiting family and friends. 9. The hobbyist's haven. Include a workshop or studio space for pursuing hobbies and interests. 10. The equestrian estate. Combine a barndominium with horse stables and outdoor riding areas. Barndominiums offer a unique and exciting opportunity to create a custom-designed home that reflects your individual style and lifestyle. By carefully considering your needs and preferences, you can design a barndominium that is both beautiful and functional. Ready to explore the possibilities of barndominium living? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Homes Inspiration Studios, for more inspiring home design ideas. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best barndominium house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.